Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about slotted emboss. Left side you can see the component, right side the forming tool. So this is the component I am going to create. With this forming tool. So I am going to create this forming tool. Let's start now. So I have taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select a center point rectangle, so this is 20. Select these two lines, make it equal, go to feature, select extruded boss, and the thickness 3 mm. You can assign any value, so I have taken 3 mm. Select the front plane, go to sketch, draw one center line, so draw a closure loop, and this is 0.5 mm. This is 10. This is 6. This is 2.53. So go to features, select revolve. See here. And select the fillet feature. This is 0.2. So add fillets at this location. Now select the front plane, go to sketch, keep it in wireframe, go to offset entities, offset is 0.08, and select this edge. So flip the direction, say OK. So move little bit inside, and join this point. Select this line, convert entity, drag this point the other side. And merge these 2 points. Now dimension this line, this is 2.4. Now draw an arc. Radius 2.5. And the distance between origin and the center point is 2.1. Keep it in shaded form. So this is the sketch. Now I am going to create extruded boss. So keep it in mid plane. Thickness is 1 mm. See here. Now I am going to add fillets. To remove the sharp edges. See here. So this is 0.5. See here. Now select this temporary axis. See here, this is not properly visible, so temporary axis at this point. So I am going to create pattern, that is circular pattern. So it is automatically selected this axis. So I am going to select these features, this boss and this fillet. So instances I have taken 8. See here, I am keeping in shaded form. So I am going to hide temporary axis. Now I am going to add form tool. Select the sheet metal tab, select the forming tool. The stopping face I am going to select this, and the faces to remove. So I am going to select all these faces. So we have to add all the faces. So I am going to show you. See here. So this is the final forming tool. So after creating this forming tool, we have to save this file. So we have to save in any folder. So simply we have to go here and we have to go to design library, So in forming tool folder we can select any folder and simply open this file, and we can save this file, save this forming tool in this folder. So after saving this, we have to close this file. Now we have to create one sheet metal component. So I am going to add, so open this file. So yeah, take a new SolidWorks file, select the top plane, go to sketch, select center point rectangle. So this is 20. Select these two lines, make it equal. Go to sheet metal and select the base flange. And here I am taking 0.1 and K factor as 0.45. Now we have to simply drag and drop on this component. So I am going to flip the direction, see here, it creates in the opposite direction. So I am going to flip and position. So for placing at the center, I am going to draw one diagonal and place it at the center. See here. And see here. So this is the final component. So this is how we create customized components. This is brief about Slotted Emboss. Thanks for watching.